When I learned about the project, sabi nila, I have to represent yung home base ko ngayon, which is La Union. So it has to be Nike-centric, which is basketball. Pero in terms of design, ginamit ko yung mga materials na pwede makuha sa La Union.
I want to give back also sa skateboard, even though I'm not playing. Pero isa lang naman yung culture niyan eh. But it's all connected in one.
Yung main inspiration ng art piece ko is yung condo basketball culture. So sobrang daming nagsusulputang condos. Yung passing drills, yun yung na-assign sa akin na activity for the installation. So nag-work ako around doon.
Actually, it's a total flashback. Remembering those childhood memories because I used to play street ball at home and I used to cut the grass beside it just to play.
We just kind of moved around the pieces a bit so that they would fit. Pero originally, naka-zone siya. So naka 3-2 siya. So like, may tatlong monsters. Dalawa dito.
Air Force One, as cliche as it may sound, it's legendary, it's classic. You can't go wrong with it. Air Force Ones, that's like mandatory in your wardrobe. And it's also such an opportunity to be able to collaborate with Nike when it comes to sunugan.
Definitely mas magaling kaysa sa mga dati. So matinding evolution. Nakikita ko maraming hindi ganun pwede magsabi ng top 5 eh. Parang pwede mo na silang sabihin na top 30 tapos magkakapantay yung galing nila pero sobrang dami nila ngayon, mga bata pa. Itong nakuha ko ngayon, pinanglaro ko rin kanina, tapos nanalo kami. So naisip ko, pwede rin pala pang basketball to. Sobrang versatile ng sapatos. Maraming pasasalamat sa Nike sa pagtitiwala sa sunugan at sa amin ni Mike Swift.
Nike isn't just a sports brand anymore. It's a lifestyle brand. It sort of touches on different cultures. Like basketball, they have their own skateboard team, the whole hip-hop scene. Now they're getting into art.
Dream brand ko siya before. It's good na they're upping the game.
This is Battle Force Manila.
That of course is illa, because this is Battle Force Manila.